Welcome to Hippie Mágica, the channel of self-love, magic, and manifestation. My name is Maria Guerrero, your self-love and manifestation coach. And today I decided to do the video on the second most voted topic from you guys, and that is how to manifest your dream life. So instead of creating a poll for this week, I decided to just make a video on the second topic that you guys want me to do next for you guys. And I'm doing this video from my home base, Spain, which I manifested. And I manifested through these 2 steps that I'm going to share with you. And why 2 steps? Why not 10 steps? Because I believe in less is more, really. The less stuff, the less directions you give to the universe, the faster and the better your manifestation will be. So there's only 2 steps you have to do in order to manifest your dream life. And I'm going to share the most important one at the very end. So stay until the very end. Okay, so step number 1 to manifest your dream life is to get super clear on what kind of lifestyle it is that you want to live. Right? So what is my definition of a dream life? It is a lifestyle. Like, how do you want to live? Right? When do you want to wake up? What kind of work do you want to do? How many days do you want to work? How many hours? What kind of work do you want to be doing? With whom? Do you want to meet them in person? Do you not? How much do you charge? What do you do when you're not working? Are you being alone? Are you with friends? Are you playing sports? Are you walking next to the ocean? Are you drawing? Do you cook or does someone cook for you? What kind of food do you eat? What kind of lifestyle do you have? So step number 1 to manifest your dream life is to get super clear on your lifestyle. Don't worry about the how, about the age, about the money, about any limits. This is simply thinking about your ideal lifestyle, right? Don't think about anything else, what other people have done, what other people have said about the lifestyle that you want. Just give yourself the freedom. I give you permission to dream just for a few minutes about your dream lifestyle, right? So get super clear. What do you do on the weekends? When do you travel? For how long? What kind of clothes do you wear? What kind of hairstyle do you have? Do you wear makeup? Do you not? Are you naked throughout the house? Get so clear. Do you live the van life a few months a year? Do you work remotely? Do you have a company? Do you work for someone? Are you a freelancer? Get super clear on all that. So just make a list for every item of your life. One can be personal life, right? Like your personal goals. One can be relationships, so love, friends. Another can be business. So that's the kind of work you do, how much you work throughout the week, throughout the day, how much you get paid, the kind of people that you work with, the type of projects that you do, right? And then another is lifestyle, like what time do you wake up? What time do you eat? What time do you do things, like that make you feel good? Like what time do you go to sleep? Do you read a book? Do you go out on a walk, right? So you decide what kind of lifestyle do you want. Do you want the hustling lifestyle or do you want a relaxing, slow lifestyle? No rush, no rush. There's nothing you have to do, nowhere you have to go, nothing you have to be. What kind of lifestyle do you want? So get super clear on that. And only you know what it is that you want for your lifestyle, because no one knows. No one knows except you. So just take a deep breath in. Close your eyes and just ask yourself, what kind of lifestyle would I love to live? Right? And then also this lifestyle includes the location. Where? What do you like to see out your window? Do you want to live in the city where it's fast paced? Do you want to live next to the ocean where it's so chill, so relaxing, so peaceful? Do you want to live next to the mountains where it's peaceful, but also it's adventurous, right? Because you can do so many things: hike, work out, be on top of the world. Or do you want to live in the suburbs or in another continent, in another country, right? So get super clear on all that. And this might be progressive. You might get super clear this week, and the next week you might add to the list or change to the list or subtract or just update, because you're giving yourself permission to think free, to think in the way that makes you happiest the most, right? So, but the most important thing is to start that list. If you just think about it and don't write anything down, then not much is going to change in your life. So the first thing to manifest anything, in my opinion, is to write it down. So write down all these things that your dream life has. Okay, once you've gotten super clear on your lifestyle, then we move to the second point, which is the most important point to manifest your dream life. And that is, what feelings do you feel in this dream lifestyle? What do you think are the feelings that this dream lifestyle is going to give you? Do you think this dream lifestyle is going to give you freedom, peace, relaxation, support, joy, love? What do you think this dream life will give you? So write those down. And just have like 2 or 3. You don't have to have that many, right? Because the point is less is more, right? To manifest fast and be happy with your manifestation is to have less, right? So once you get, maybe you have 10 feelings, right? But then nail down the top 3 feelings, right? Nail them down. Once you know the feelings that you feel that this dream life would give you, then you become a true magnet to this dream life. Then the universe has the instructions from you, and the universe is getting to work. The universe is changing things, is moving things around your life to deliver your dream life to you in the easiest way possible, right? But remember to not get in the way of the universe delivering your dream life. Your job is to just follow the GPS of the universe. If you get an idea to do something, to sign up for a program, to go to a coffee shop, to reach out to a friend, or to just go out for a walk, do it. This is the universe talking to you. It's like, okay, this is what you want, this is how you're gonna get there. But you need to take action, right? Inspired action. And every day, in order for the universe to deliver your dream life faster to you, you need to feel these feelings of your dream life. So, for example, for me, it was freedom. Like, I truly only had, I think, 2 feelings that I wanted to have when I was living the corporate life, when I was in the hustle mode, when my life was super fast and rushing. I just wanted freedom and peace. That's all I wanted. I seriously, for me, that was like retirement or like being a billionaire. If I could just have those 2 feelings, like I would reach heaven, right? So every day, do something that makes you feel those feelings. Every day, think of your dream life. Every day, look at your vision board and feel those feelings. And then the universe, it's like giving energy to the universe. It's like giving signals to the universe, like I'm ready. Bring it to me. Here I am, right? But if you feel other feelings like anxiety, rushing, not good enough, effort, then the universe will just give you what you ask. And the universe hears in other ways besides words. Like the universe hears through feeling, through intent, through thought, through emotion. So you need to be super aligned to not give the universe a misdirection. So feel the feelings every day. Feel the feelings. And visualize that dream life. It can be 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. And that's saying to the universe, I'm ready. I'm ready to receive. I'm ready to live this dream life, universe. And that's it. Seriously. It's easier said than done. You have to be super patient. It took me 1 year to manifest my dream life, from doing self-love, from doing Ho'oponopono, from getting super clear, from doing my vision board, from visualizing, right? All these things I did them for 1 year. But it's 1 year of like starting from zero. But if you've been on your manifestation self-love journey for some time, maybe it'll take you shorter. But like, just know that this is not a sprint. Like, maybe you will not get results in 30 days, or maybe you will. But just know that the inner work is the most important thing. You can't expect fast results if you're not doing the inner work, right? The universe is just a reflection of you. If you feel free and peaceful and you're doing things that are aligned to your dream life, like maybe if in your dream life you take a walk in the middle of the day every day, then you have to take a walk in the middle of the day every day now, exactly where you are, right? So you have to put the example first. Like, you cannot wait to live your dream life before when your dream life arrives, right? You need to go first. You need to take that first step first, right? It's like you take the first step and the universe shows up after you, right? You feel the feelings first, and then you manifest something connected to those feelings, or something connected to your dream life. It can come in pieces, it can come in phases, right? But it'll come. You just have to be patient, and you need to be that version of yourself that already is living that dream life. Well, let me know if this helped you, if you liked this video, because I love it. I manifested my dream life exactly with these 2 steps. Repetition is key, discipline, patience, right? And then, voila, you are living your dream life. Okay, guys, well, I wish you only good vibes, high vibes, only for you to live your highest and most amazing dream life ever, always. And just comment below what other kinds of videos you would like me to do for you in the next one. It can be self-love, manifestation, or anything. Really, I love doing these videos for you guys. Okay, guys, have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next video.